So a friend of mine suggested to me, you should make a spaghetti sandwich. What? Spaghetti sandwich? What the heck are you talking about? Oh yeah, they're really good. I used to have them as a kid. I hadn't had one in years. What? Spaghetti sandwich? What are you talking about? So I get on YouTube and this is kind of what I see. I'm like, what? Okay, I gotta try that. Ha! Here we go. Okay, we're doing meatballs. You ready? Let's do this. Okay, I decided just one. The size of a baseball. How's that? No, we can't do that. This is just some ground beef. I'm just going to bust it up a little bit. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to season it. I'm going to throw it in my oven for like 15 minutes. This is really easy. Just crunch it all up. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. This is real simple. No big deal. Ready? Bam. McCormick's. Spice Munch. Ready? Bam. McCormick's Spicy Montreal Steak. Got some Lowry's. Yeah, and I'm going to throw a little garlic in there too. Bam, some garlic salt. So a little garlic salt in there. There it is. And some Lowry's, because I just love Lowry's. My fave. Yeah. Oh my God, I love Montreal steak. This one's spicy because I just want to, I'm going to spice it up a little. That's all. Just a little kick to this. Going to mix it all up real fast. And walla walla bing bang, pretty much done. I am just going to start making meatballs. Here we go. Oh yeah, look at that. Bam. Okay, there we go. A few more. And voila. Walla walla meatball. There we go. 7 meatball. I could probably get an 8th one if I shrunk these two. Just shrunk them a little bit. I'm going to leave them though, because I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with them. All right, there they are. All right, here we go. 7 meatballs going in my toaster oven. Got it set like at 400. And this grate's kind of hot. I preheated it. But here we go. Right. Ow! Kind of awkward. One-handed. Look at that. Oh, I don't want it that high. I want it at the bottom rack. Yeah, there we go. Oh man, there we go. Okay, they're in. Oh man, look at that. Oh, they smell so good. Ooh. Oh, look at these. How juicy. Look how juicy. Oh my God, yes. You know what I love? I love garlic. We need some garlic. We need some minced up garlic. Look at this huge, it's a huge clove. That's probably going to be more than enough. Absolutely. So I always smash them. Ugh, it's so big, it's hard to smash. Anyway, I smash them and it kind of like, releases the oil or something. I don't know. It makes it more potent. Rather than just mincing it up as it's whole, you smash them and it just becomes more powerful, more potent. Anyway, I got some minced garlic now. Check this out. Okay. There we go. There we go. Done. Oh yeah. Okay, here we go. I need to melt some butter. Okay, we're going to take this garlic now. Let's go ahead and put it in that butter. And we'll stir it up. All right, let's get all of it in there. Oh, you can never have too much garlic. Oh, well, I guess you can. But anyway, your friends won't like it. Oh, but you can never have too much garlic. Look at that, folks. We're going to grill just half of this bread. All right? Like a grilled cheese, I'm just going to grill half of it. That's right. Just like that. One side. Nothing on it. It's plain. Well, I did butter it, just so you know. I buttered it. So there you go. It's Italian. Toast. Look at that. Look at that. Okay? Only grilled on one side, though. So what I'm going to do is grill up. Grill up. This is where all the goodness is going to be. So what we're going to do is, all right. All right. So do you even know what we're going to do here, folks? You probably don't. I'm not sure I do either. I figured it out. Here's what we're going to do. I got these Parmesan flakes. Check that out. Parmesan. Chunks, flakes. I don't know what you call them. They're big though. I grabbed a thing of Parmesan cheese. The fresh shredded kind. And this is what I ended up coming home with. I'm like, wow, never saw that before. Anyway, that's cool. So I got these big flakes. Give me like a grilled cheese. Yeah, Parmesan. Check this out. You know what I'm going to put on top of it? That's right, spaghetti. Oh, that's probably a little too much. Okay. There's a little too much for this half. But I'm going to go ahead and take a little off. We'll share it over here. But we're going to spread some spaghetti out. We're going to put a little in each one, all right? Oh my, this is leftover. Obviously, I didn't just make this. This is leftover from yesterday, right? So it's been in the fridge. It's just like been fermenting, and the flavor's been like soaking into those noodles even more than normal, okay? We're going to go ahead and try to, now this is meat sauce. There's a lot of meat on it. You guys were wondering what the heck I was doing with those meatballs. All right, folks. So we got these meatballs. You saw me make them earlier. I just bust them up into little pieces. We're going to put a couple on each side here. Oh, yeah. You don't want to have too big of pieces, but you want to have chunks. That's for darn sure. You know, break them into quarters maybe, or I don't know. I've never done this before. This is the experiment of godliness. This is going to be amazing. Oh, gee whiz. And guess what I got here? A little extra sauce. Just yeah, it's more meat sauce. We're just going to kind of, just a little. Just get on those. Oh, yeah. And guess what we're going to do on top of this? You ready? All right, folks. Now the fun begins. We got some fresh parm. I'm going to put fresh parm on this side. Okay. Ah, yeah. On this side, I'm going with your traditional. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm just going to, like, yep, just coat it. We're going traditional on that side. A little silly, I know. Yep, that's what we're doing. See that? Guess where this is going? Oven. I think I still got it at like 400. I don't know. It's going in for a little bit. 10 minutes? Maybe 15. I'm going to watch the cheese, see what happens. All right, they're going in. Here we go. If I can. Ah! Okay. I need 3 hands. Anybody got an extra? I don't even have this on right. Oh my God. Well, it'll kind of go on this way. All right, all right, there it is. Oh, look at that. It's probably gonna drip down. So I'm gonna probably have a huge mess. I didn't think about it. Maybe I should have. Well, all right. Well, I'll be scrubbing the tray tomorrow. Oh, well. Here we go, though. I'm thinking 10, 12 minutes. We'll see. There it is. It's done. Oh my God. Spaghetti sandwich like you've never seen ever in the history of the world. There it is. Look at that. Look at that. That's crazy. Mountainous goodness. Oh my God, look at this. It's just crazy. Oh, that's hot. Ow, ow, ow. Let's put this together. All right, here we go. We ready? Watch this. Look at that. All right, folks, we're going in. We're going to see what happens here. We should probably just eat it whole, but well, there you go. Little piece of bread broke off. Here you go. Check that out. That's it. Look at these cheese chunks. They didn't melt as expected. So there you have it. So check that out. Is that not outrageous? That's right. Make yourself a spaghetti sandwich out of your leftovers. That's how you do it. Right there. Amazing. You know how that cheese wasn't melted? You gotta have melted cheese, right? So what I did, I wrapped that sandwich in tin foil. I didn't want the toast getting any crisper, any drier, any harder. And in the tin foil, I put it back in the oven. Now the oven, I checked it, it was at 350. I put it back in my toaster oven for 30 minutes. I checked it a couple times during the process. 30 minutes, it was ready. But now that's a thick sandwich and it came out of the fridge cold. Keep that in mind. If you make a smaller one, you might only want to go 20 minutes. But I wrapped it in tin foil for 30 more minutes. All the rest of the cheese melted and the spaghetti was hot. Check this out. Oh my God. Are you serious? Oh, this is crazy. No, seriously. A friend of mine told me about this. I saw it online. Spaghetti sandwich. What are you talking about? Oh my God. That is unbelievable. You know, you got the garlic toast, the melted Parmesan, and the spaghetti is better today than it was yesterday. It's been sitting all night in the fridge. Meatball. All right, I spiced up the meatballs a little bit and threw. Oh yeah, it's got a little kick in those meatballs, but this spaghetti, you don't need those meatballs. That was just something I did on the side. This is so good. Oh my God, you gotta try it. I apologize. But that is delicious. That's crazy. Anyway, enjoy. Who would have thunk? That video was a lot of fun to make and delicious too. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. And please, if you like what you see, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and please subscribe at the stake up above. And here, there's other videos you might enjoy as well, so click on them. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.